everyone. My name is Hannah, 17 years old. I'm from Udrimo village, Kusakam Yampudra, district of Puchna province. I study in grade 11 at JP Kumbutla High School and I'm a student and studying English at American International School. Today I'm very happy to stand here to present about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a special day when people show love and appreciation to those they care about. It is celebrated on February 14 every year. People often exchange heart candy and small gifts to express their feelings. On Valentine's Day, you might see lots of heart, flower, and colors. This symbol represents love and friendship. Many people give and receive Valentine's Day card with sweet message. Some even pay handmade card to make them extra special. One fun reason on Valentine's Day is giving and receiving Valentine. It's a small card with sweet picture and kind word. Sometimes they come with a treat like heart shape, candy, or sticker. Family and friends also celebrate Valentine's Day by spending time together. Some people have special meal or share innocent like cookie and cupcake. It is a day to express love. That Kuba Valentine's Day, thank you, director, teacher, and everyone for listening my presentation.